What you got to say to the people? Look right here. Look right here.
And a real woman has real dreams. Can buy her own things, cause a real woman has her own means.
Okay, what daddy do wrong?
Hey pretty girls with the popping curls. It's what?
Oh, that's your thing. Alright, go ahead.
What the world?
I thought you were talking to me. Take 50.
Shut up. Hey pretty girls with the popping curls, you're here at such a joy. I am Joy, and if you have not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment down below, and make sure you share. Today I'm doing something new. So I'm going to blow Corey's hair out and flat iron it. The flat iron part is just for fun, but I have to braid it anyway, so that'll just make it like a little bit longer for me. And
Joy can't grip.
So what?
You can't grip it.
I'm not a braider. I just be braiding because you asked me to. But anyway, so first I am going to wet his hair again because it's dried out. Then I'm gonna blow it out. Then I'm going to spray some of this this Tresemme Keratin Smooth. It's a heat protectant spray. Then I'm gonna blow his hair out, and then I'm going to flat iron it, and you guys will be able to see what I'm doing. Yeah, so let's get started.
He don't make you want to smile. He don't make your body feel the way I do.
Alright, so
you was getting ready to do the finger guns too? I want to feel like I'm in the beauty salon anyway. How does a beauty salon conversation start?
Corey, you can believe what y'all did last week. No, he gonna do it.
You keep playing with the kid. So you gonna show him your Crocs?
Do it.
What Uncle Polly?
He is trying to show.
What Uncle Polly get you?
Bye-bye.
Huh? He got you some Crocs?
No.
Uncle Polly ain't get you no Crocs?
No.
Aww.
But baby, I'm here whenever you call, and I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I'm right here, always by your side, cause baby, I'm like you, I'm always down to ride. I'm the better man, best one for the job, and I'll be waiting for you with open arms.
I forgot to spray your hair with the heat protectant. Bro.
You got my nose. Oh. Alright.
So, okay, so this is the half that I flat iron, and this is the half that isn't flat iron, and this is how he looks.
I look like Gumby.
I don't know who that is.
The better man, best one for it all. I'm the better man, best one for the job, and I'll be waiting for you with open arms. I'm the better man, best one for it all.
Okay, so now we have done step one, and that is the blowing his hair out process. So this way, that way, this way. Say cheese.
It's situations like this that make me reminisce about the day we first met, and our first kiss. I really want you, girl. You know I need you too. I just wanna be that man that you come running to. Regardless what they say, regardless what they do, I'm doing this for me, I'm doing this for you, I'm doing this for us. This is what you want. Cause I stay feeling like I want you when I know I don't need you. Mind always.
Oh.
Sorry.
Be careful. This is hot. Ah!
What are you doing?
This thing burns.
Sorry, I'm not trained to put her.
What? Are you doing mine? What do you mean you're not trained? What if you mess my hair up permanently?
It's not that hot. Come on.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
You don't feel it. I do.
I got.
What happened?
I was dying.
And then you did who?
No.
You went?
No.
You went where?
No.
It's on you even when I don't see ya. A constant thought that never leaves my mind. I'm thinking about you, baby, all of the time.
Why would you lay your head back?
I was pulling it back because you got that comb stuck in my hair.
Yeah, well, if I'm pulling it back, you need to not pull it back.
Does it look longer?
Yeah.
The better for you to play with, my dear.
You know you want me, girl. You should stop playing. Cause you know I'm ready to settle down. I'm doing this all for you. There's no more waiting. So let's get it in, girl. Cause I'm the better man. Best one for the job. And I'll be waiting for you with open arms. I'm the better man.
Ah, that burn.
She said, what? Girl, boo. Come on, Corey. Why are you moving your head? Bring your head back. Why would you move your head?
You told me not to have it back.
Okay, but then I was already doing it. Why you gonna move it when I'm doing it? Then you made me burn my finger.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Baby, what you doing, girl? I'm trying to get it poppin'. You say you got a man, but shorty, that don't mean nothing. Cause he ain't here with you tonight. Obviously, he ain't doing something right.
Looking like Young Jock. So my hair smell like them bad eggs when you burn them, when you got the pan too high.
Daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark. Do 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 do. He's shark by himself too.
I look like the black Johnny Bravo.
It didn't turn out the way I thought it would,
What do you mean? Not the way you thought it would.
your ends are so horrible. Your hair is just horrible. I'm just playing.
Why would you?
Oh, hair is good hair.
I got a comb head. Like
But you look like a raindrop.
I wish that was
You look like a Hershey Kiss. Hold on.
a caramel one.
You like a Hershey Kiss, bruh. Man.
What?
I wish I had dared you, man.
Dared me to do what?
I don't know, but I made you go in the store like this.
One day we should do that though. Oompa, loompa, doopity doo. Oompa, loompa, doopity doo. I can't take myself serious.
I hope you ladies enjoyed this video. If you have not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment below what you guys thought and say hey to Corey because y'all never saw him on this channel before. Yeah. And make sure you share this video so we can keep on growing our curly girl fam over here. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Hammerhead out.
Everything I work for, everything I got, now turn on the lights. I'm looking for him too. I heard he keep his promises and never turn on you. I heard he ain't gon' cheat and he gon' never make no move. I heard he be there anytime you need him, he come through. Now turn on the lights. I'm looking for